In this video, we will go over how to turn off ads in Windows 11. You may have noticed these quote-unquote suggestions in the Start menu, as well as these suggestions in the search. There are ads on the lock screen too. There are also these notifications, which are ads. Let's go through these one by one and turn them off. You may notice that my Start menu is not in the default place. We have a video on making Windows 11 look like Windows 10, link in the card. To turn off Start menu ads, go to the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Personalization. And then Start. Uncheck Show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. For the search ads, return to Settings, and then click Privacy and Security. Click Search Permissions. Scroll all the way down and uncheck Show Search Highlights. For the lock screen ads, go back to Personalization and then click Lock Screen. Set the lock screen to either picture or slideshow. Then uncheck Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and More on your lock screen. For notification ads, go back to Settings and then go to System. Go to Notifications. Scroll all the way down and click Additional Settings. Uncheck all three checkboxes. Also, turn off Suggested. This concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe for more.